Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Change iPhone Hotspot Name. Let's dive right in. First, on your iOS device, tap on the Settings app to open it. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on General. In the General section, tap on About at the top of the list. Next, tap on the Name option. This will take you to the page where you can edit or change the name of your iPhone. Delete the current name and type in the new name you want for your iPhone. Tap Done on the keyboard to save the new name. Now, go back to the main settings screen and find the Personal Hotspot option. Tap on it. On the Personal Hotspot settings page, you'll see your hotspot name has been updated to the new name you set for your iPhone. Here, you can also see the password for your device's hotspot. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.